So, you asked me questions about this dog.
Yeah, what's the name of the dog?
His name's Smokey.
When did you get it?
Today.
Do you like him?
Yes.
Can you make him a little bit of anxious or interesting to play with that
Okay.
bone?
Oh, sure.
Yeah,
I
huh?
can. Would
Huh?
I see a demonstration?
Yeah. Keep pressing.
Right behind
Uh-huh.
you. It's right behind you. He knows when dinner's ready. I realised that Smokey's very clever. You didn't ask him about his age.
What's his age?
He's 9 weeks.
Good. Cool, he's cool.
Why don't you come and stroke him?
Yeah.